Today's crewmate will be wearing a Dr. Seuss inspired hat and tie. Starting with heavy paper and a pencil, sketch out the basic form. Add a rectangular shape to the top of the crewmate's head. The brim of the hat is a long oval. Under the visor, add a small circle for the bow tie. Each part of the bow tie is like a heart. Outline with a black marker. Erase the parts that you don't like. Make lines darker or wider if you need to. I started with the top color, red, and worked my way down. Use white crayon to color the center of the visor so the paint won't stick as easily. On the body and the backpack, start with water and then add paint to the places that are darkest. If you don't have any paint, you can also use markers, colored pencils, or crayons.